How to switch to classic mode in Reolink. Prefer the original Reolink interface instead of a newer layout? Switching back to classic mode is easy. First, open the Reolink app and log in if needed. Go to the Me tab at the bottom. Now from here, go to Settings. Scroll down and look for the interface mode or similar option. Here you'll see choices for classic and full screen mode. Select classic mode and the app will reload with the familiar old style layout you are used to. Do you like the classic mode or the modern interface? Drop your opinion in the comments below. If you ever want to switch back to the full screen mode, just follow the same steps and choose the other option. And that's how you can switch to classic mode in Reolink. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.